What's up members, welcome back to another mini lesson video. In this video we are going to cover basic structure and what constitutes a true break of structure, so you don't get caught out on those little moves that look like they are but they're not. So here in this chart, this is GU in front of us, GBP USD. It doesn't matter what chart it is, it doesn't matter what pair it is. Structure is structure. Again, we're on the 4-hour time frame. It doesn't matter what time frame you're on, the structure is the structure, and it's dictated by these things. So we have here in this channel a very simple bearish trend. Okay, so when we have a bearish trend, we simply have lower lows and lower highs. Okay, and every time it breaks that low, we have a new lower low, and then we have a new lower high, a new lower low, a new lower high, a new lower low, new lower high, and so on. Okay, very simple. Now, a couple of little rules here, okay, and this section is a very good example. So this area here, actually let me draw it with a box. This area here is not a level of structure, okay? That is because this has not broken this level, the previous lower low. Price must break that previous lower low before it can be considered structure. So, same with this, okay? This is not a lower high. This is not a lower low, this is nothing. Because this point here sits higher than this point here, that is the lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Because it broke the last level of structure. Now that applies everywhere, okay? That applies everywhere. If we look on the flip side over here, we've got higher highs and higher lows in our bullish channel. Okay, let's turn that green. We have a bullish channel here, and we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We have the higher high here, the highest point, and the higher low here. Now, another good example, this bit of price action breaks structure. Okay, this here breaks the previous higher low made. Therefore, this is a valid break of structure. If price was up here and done this, none of that has broken the current structure. Okay, it's not past this high, it's not past this low, therefore none of this would constitute a break of structure. Okay, so you must look at the most recent low and the most recent high and determine where that price action is and what it's doing. So that's that. It's very simple. Keep it simple. You just need to make sure what you're looking at has broken structure. Sometimes we can get very tricky moves in the market where, let's say for example purposes, we have a POI here and you'll get price do something like this where it comes up sorry, it comes up, if I can get the right tool out, it will come up like this, we'll come into the POI, we'll do this, okay, something like that, and people will think it's broken structure, but that is not the case, because we've got higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That is our lowest low, our most recent low to make a new high. Therefore, this price action has not broken structure. That is still bullish. So from there, that could quite easily go higher. Okay. Nice and simple, guys. Any questions, as normal, throw them in the chat. Structure can be quite a confusing one, but we will expand on this. We will go more into detail, but give that a practice. You can use the marker tool. Let me just show you. It's the highlighter tool you'll find on the left, and I just use the dots to mark out the structure. It can be very, very effective when you're looking at the market. It can really simplify things for you and take out the noise. I'll just show you one other benefit as well, that if you use it to mark out the structure, go down a time frame, say a lower time frame, we've now clearly got our higher time frame structure marked out. Okay, so all of this noise in the middle, we know it's within the higher time frame structure. So it's nice and easy to determine. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've learned something. Watch it again and again. Make notes. As I said, we will be expanding further into structure. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.